Winter in St. Moritz, Switzerland, Part 1. Kulm Hotel St. Moritz. The Kulm Hotel St. Moritz is a luxurious hotel with a remarkable history. Johannes Badrat founded it in 1856 and laid the foundation stone for winter tourism. Since then, the Kulm Hotel has been characterized by its style and authenticity. Every room faces the impressive mountainscape, the south-facing ones the Lake St. Moritz and those facing north, the spectacular south flanks of Pisnare and other enticing parts of the Corviglia region. The Kulm Hotel has always practiced the high art of refined gourmet cuisine and features 5 restaurants with various culinary offers, which range from carefully prepared local specialties to international haute cuisine. The completely revised Kulm Spa St. Moritz, stretching out over 2,000 square meters, disposes of a lavish pool, whirlpool, children's pool, open-air pool, neat footpath, salt grotto, steam bath, a sauna world, and a fitness center with the latest equipment. I appreciate your time and interest in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel so you can see more content like it in the future.